chosen one.
Where did you get that?
Watch your TV, James. TV.
That's it.
I talked to him. Daddy.
Stop.
I'm using the force.
I'm Darth Maul, though. You can't force me.
James, you're getting awful close to that TV.
Alright, that's it.
Where'd you get that?
This is Darth Maul's.
Daddy, can I see it? Daddy, let me see it.
That's Darth Maul's stick.
Where'd you get it? Let me turn it off. Where'd you get it?
Huh?
Where'd you get that?
I got it today for y'all. That's y'all's Christmas present.
It comes apart.
It's two swords
Oh,
that get put together.
Well, this is.
Alright, you can come on.
Is this mine?
Is that nice?